Family law solicitors versus collaborative law services. Which one is better for divorce proceedings? Most people get this wrong by assuming all divorce cases are the same, but the surprising truth is that choosing the right legal approach can dramatically affect both the cost and emotional impact of a divorce. Family law solicitors are traditional lawyers who represent you in court if disputes arise. They handle complex issues such as child custody, spousal support and property division, providing legal expertise and advocacy. For example, if one spouse contests asset division or there are international custody considerations, a solicitor can navigate court procedures and protect your rights. Solicitors are ideal when conflict is high or legal battles are likely. Collaborative law services, on the other hand, focus on cooperative solutions outside the courtroom. Both parties work with specially trained lawyers to reach agreements through negotiation and mediation, often supported by financial or parenting specialists. This approach is less adversarial and usually faster and more cost-effective. For instance, a couple seeking to divide assets amicably while maintaining a positive co-parenting relationship would benefit from collaborative law. So, which is better? If the divorce is high conflict, involves hidden assets, or one party is uncooperative, family law solicitors provide the legal muscle needed to protect your interests. However, if both parties are willing to negotiate and prioritize efficiency, collaborative law can save time, money, and emotional stress. Key takeaway is that divorce isn't just a legal process, it's a personal journey. Evaluating the level of conflict, complexity of finances, and the desired post-divorce relationship can help you choose the best path. The right professional approach ensures your interests are safeguarded while minimizing unnecessary stress. Understanding these differences empowers you to make informed decisions, whether you need full legal representation or a cooperative, solution-focused process.